Welcome to my pretty world. Today I am going to recite the poem All Things Bright and Beautiful. Shall we start? Poem All Things Bright and Beautiful. All things bright and beautiful. All creatures great and small. All things wise and wonderful. The Lord God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings. He made their glowing colors. He made their tiny wings. The purple-headed mountain, the river running by, the sunset and the morning that brightens up the sky, the cold wind in the winter, the pleasant summer sun, the ripe fruits in the garden, He made them everyone.
The tall trees in the green wood, the meadows where we play,
the rushes by the water we gather every day. He gave us eyes to see them. He gave us life to live with them. He gave us love to like them and to keep them safe without any harm. Namaste and thank you.
Hope you all like this video. If yes, press like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.